Okay, everyone. On this lesson, we'll be starting directly from the console. So this is the first page that we have when we log into the AWS console. So you can see the cost and usage from my account. It's a little expensive because I forgot some of the servers running. So that's why we will be having a class for alarm on the billing. And here we have the recently visit the latest tools that I have been using. You can see a bunch of security stuff, and you can see right now that you have some links for the welcome to AWS, so links for training and certification, getting started, so lots of documentation, and of course the AWS health, so you can see the health of some of the services if they are online or not, and of course some getting started with building a solution, so you can right away register a domain, launch an EC2 instance, start a development project, and so many others. So and of course you can see the latest announcement from AWS, the recent AWS blog posts, and of course if you have different support, you can see the trusted advisor. So I don't have the business and the enterprise, so I don't have that kind of information. So talking about the support, we can take a look at the support plans. Of course, you have, if you have the basic, you have nothing. But if you have the developer, you have the business, you have the enterprise on-ramp, and you have the enterprise. So basically, the difference is the response times and the case severity that you might consider right here on this line. And of course, some advantage on the technical account management, the TAM guy that you have at your disposal, and of course your proactive programs and self-service. So you have lots of information. But one thing that I like a lot is the incident detection and response. This is 24/7 on the enterprise, and of course the checks for the trusted advisor here. So you have on the developer just service quota and basic security checks. When we talk about starting on the business and going to the enterprise on-ramp and enterprise, you have the full set of checks. And on the enterprise, you have the recommendations created by the technical account management. So it is basically what you have when you log to the console for the first time, okay?